Imagine you're in a world where your money is as private as your thoughts. No prying eyes can track your transactions, no government can freeze your funds. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's actually a reality with Beam Wallet. But how does it achieve such a high level of security? Let's dive in. Understanding Beam Wallet. Beam Wallet is a decentralized cryptocurrency wallet that uses a privacy-focused protocol called Mimblewimble. This protocol is designed to ensure that your transactions remain anonymous and untraceable. Key security features. Confidentiality. Every transaction on the Beam network is shielded, meaning that the sender, recipient, and amount are hidden from public view. This is achieved through a cryptographic technique called Peterson commitments. Unlinkability. There's no way to link a transaction to a specific address or wallet. This prevents anyone from tracking your financial activities. Fungibility. All Beam coins are interchangeable and indistinguishable from one another. This means that there's no way to mark a coin as tainted or suspicious. Zero-knowledge proofs. Beam uses zero-knowledge proofs to verify the validity of transactions without revealing any sensitive information. This ensures that your privacy is protected even as the network processes your transactions. How does Beam Wallet compare to other wallets? Unlike traditional wallets that rely on centralized authorities, Beam Wallet is decentralized. This means that there's no single point of failure and no entity that can control or manipulate the network. Furthermore, Beam Wallet offers a much higher level of privacy than other cryptocurrencies. While some cryptocurrencies claim to be private, they often have vulnerabilities that can be exploited to de-anonymize transactions. Security best practices. While Beam Wallet is highly secure, it's important to follow best practices to protect your funds. Strong passphrase. Use a long, complex passphrase that is difficult to guess. Backup your wallet. Create regular backups of your wallet file to prevent data loss. Secure storage. Store your backup in a safe and secure location. Be wary of scams. Be cautious of phishing attempts and other scams that may target Beam Wallet users. Beam Wallet offers a level of privacy and security that is unmatched by other cryptocurrencies. By understanding the key security features and following best practices, you can confidently use Beam Wallet to protect your financial privacy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.